In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a URL to your Google Calendar. If you've been looking to integrate an external calendar into your Google Calendar, you've come to the right place. This process will allow you to keep all your important schedules in one single view, making managing your time so much easier. So, settle in and let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and navigate to your Google Calendar. It can be accessed by visiting calendar.google.com and logging in with your Google account. This is your central hub where you can create new events, view upcoming appointments, and manage all the calendars linked to your account. Make sure you are logged in with the account you wish to make changes to. Once logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. There, you'll notice sections labeled with headings like My Calendars and Other Calendars. These areas help organize the various calendars you have access to. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing on Other Calendars, as this is where you can add additional calendars via a URL. Now, look for a little plus icon located next to Other Calendars. By clicking this plus sign, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu that offers several options for adding a calendar. Among these options, select from URL. This selection is particularly handy when you have the direct link to a calendar that you want to integrate into your Google Calendar setup, for example, community calendars, public event calendars, or even work schedules shared via URLs. Once you've clicked from URL, a field will appear prompting you to paste the URL of the calendar you wish to add. So, if you've already copied the URL from its source, just paste it right into that field. This is where having the URL handy makes the process smooth and seamless. Double check that you've entered the URL correctly to avoid any potential errors. After pasting, you'll see an Add Calendar button below the field. By clicking this button, you effectively subscribe to the calendar using the URL provided. This means that any updates or changes made to that calendar will automatically reflect in your Google Calendar. It's as if you just added a direct link between your Google Calendar and the external calendar. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've integrated a new calendar into your Google Calendar, allowing you to view a complete schedule in one place. This can be especially useful for ensuring you never miss an important event from different parts of your life. Whether for work, personal interests, or community events, Google Calendar's flexibility makes it an invaluable tool for staying organized. I hope this guide was helpful and that you can now make the most of Google Calendar by adding external URLs. Thanks for watching and have a great day managing your time even more efficiently.